Hi, my name is Sharisy. I'm an illustrator from Brazil, and you can take a seat and follow me through my creative process. I'm using Adobe Fresco and I'm going to create an illustration inspired by my morning routines. So keep watching. Notice that even Adobe Fresco Workspace has been optimized for stylus and touch devices. I'm using here a PC and tablet, so please don't be afraid to use it. I hope this tutorial inspires you to create your own motion illustration. If you do, please share your creation on your social channels using the hashtag Adobe Fresco and feel free to tag me at Sharisy. Bye!